I am here today spilling the tea on white cabinets. You may have heard that white cabinets are no longer trendy, that they're not a good choice for your kitchen. And this is false information to a degree. Are they no longer trendy? Yes. Just like gray cabinets aren't trendy anymore, cream cabinets aren't trendy anymore. But the difference between gray cabinets, which were trendy in 2015, cream cabinets, which were trendy in the early 2000s, is that those finishes aren't timeless. Now, that's not to say they're not timeless in the right home, where they're visually supported by flexible, timeless finishes that work with them, or that a home has a certain character to support this look. But in terms of what's trendy, what will take your home through the long haul, generally speaking, white cabinets are the way to go. Now, just because something is not trendy doesn't mean it's not timeless. I just want to embed that. So yes, white cabinets are not trending like they were in the last 5 years, but they're timeless. So there's the bottom level where we've got gray, and I have gray cabinets. So it's not like I'm trying to be mean and hating on all you gray cabinet people. I have gray cabinets. So gray cabinets, cream cabinets, they're way down here. White just kind of goes trendy, kind of comes down. Gray cabinets go trendy, and then they go way back down here. That's just the way it is. So don't kill the little ginger messenger if you love your gray kitchen. I love my gray kitchen. I chose it because I love it. Is it trendy? No. Is it timeless? No. And that's okay. But should I sell in the next 5 years? I may want to consider painting my cabinets to something a little bit more timeless, or that's more on trend with what's currently happening in the design world. Now, one thing that can date white cabinets is the finishes surrounding it. So if you do white cabinets, white subway tile, white countertop, yeah, it's gonna look like you renovated your kitchen in 2018 to 2025. And that's okay. If that's a look you love, you fill your little white leather boots, it's gonna look beautiful. It's just not gonna look timeless. You don't care? I don't care. But if you care about a timeless look, stick with white cabinets. Choose finishes that are a bit more flexible, say countertops that have a variety of tones, neutrals preferably in them. So you find a countertop with a bit of grayish, taupe, warm gray, off-white, awesome. So that when trends change, should you want to change with them, or should a new homeowner need to envision themselves in that space, your countertop gives you the flexibility to do so. As for backsplash, subway tiles, so timeless. You get a white subway tile that matches your white cabinets. That's cool beans. That's a great way to go. And again, sometimes it comes down to the finishes surrounding those products that can either make or break a space. You want to add some variety to your white cabinets? You might pull one of the soft neutrals from your countertop. Do that as your subway tile. There's so many options to play with white cabinets, but the key is to choose the right white. This is my baby. This is Benjamin Moore White Dove. I love it. It's my go-to white, not for every space, but for a lot of spaces, including my own home. We have a second home, White Dove. Love it. I chose to lighten it by 25% because I'm a weirdo and I like playing with colors and it looks really pretty, but generally White Dove or White Dove 25% lighter. Awesome choice, flexible towards a wide range of finishes so you can change things in the future without going, oh, my cabinets. Like my gray cabinets are painted Benjamin Moore Revere Pewter. I can hardly change my walls at all. Super limiting. This, I can do anything I want, really. So Benjamin Moore White Dove, awesome. Sherwin-Williams Pure White, gorgeous. Pure White is a similar softness to White Dove, but it's just a little bit less warm. So if you're like, oh, I don't really like warm whites, don't do cool whites, please. Like decorator's white, super white, yeah, don't do those. And if you have them, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm just trying to be honest. They're going to limit you. So Sherwin-Williams Pure White, Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace, it's up near the bright, stark whites, which will limit you, which I wouldn't do. But if you like a brighter white, Chantilly Lace is a great one. Sherwin-Williams White Snow has a pretty softness. Benjamin Moore Simply White can have a touch too much yellow sometimes, but it's okay. Sherwin-Williams Alabaster, I like it. It can be a touch creamy. So say in the future you want to change to a cool gray palette. Alabaster's not going to let you, but you might be like, I would never do cool gray anyways. So I'd say generally Alabaster's pretty good too. So long story short, if you want to do a white kitchen, you need to do a white kitchen. It's okay. It's not trendy, but that doesn't mean it's not timeless.